Flame Engineering VT2-23C Weed Dragon Garden Torch Kit kills weeds safely and naturally without herbicides. Used to burn heavy brush and stumps, melt snow and ice, thaw frozen metal pipes, heat metal, tar, and asphalt, and to sterilize cages and confinement areas. Hooks up to any refillable propane tank and comes with a hand-tightened tank fitting. Torch has a 2-inch bell and a total length of 27-1/2 inch. Kit includes 100,000 BTU torch with plastic grip, 10 feet UL listed LP gas hose, hand-tighten excess flow POL fitting, UL listed regulator, adjustable needle valve, spark lighter, and pipe thread compound. Flame Engineering VT2-23C Weed Dragon Garden Torch Kit features: eliminates risk of chemical residues and runoff, making your lawn and garden safe for your family and pets. Designed to help keep your lawn and garden weed free and reduce the need for mowing or chemical use in hard to reach places. 100,000 BTU maximum 23 handle length 10 hose carded in the description to get this product today at the best price. Flame Engineering VT2-23C Weed Dragon Garden Torch Kit kills weeds safely and naturally without herbicides. Used to burn heavy brush and stumps, melt snow